Oh my God. There's toast too?
Yeah, there is. I need to have my breakfast.
Get out of here. Stop eating. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy. I said after Glitch that it would probably be at least a month before I put Lolita on, and lo and behold, it was indeed at least a month. But just because I wasn't wearing Lolita does not mean I wasn't buying Lolita, because we know I got a spending problem. Although when I say buying Lolita, technically I ordered this at the beginning of the year and it actually has nothing to do with the time in between Glitch and now, but we're lying for the clout on the internet. I have been waiting forever for this to arrive. All the other Lolitas were starting to get theirs, including Lolitas in Canada. I don't know why it took them so long to give me mine, but she's finally here. My Sugary Carnival. I can't believe I am about to physically hold this dress in my hands. So no more waiting. I want to open the box. Let's get going. Let's see the dress. Let me tell you. There was indeed a hefty customs fee on this dress, which I did not love. I see her. Oh my, okay, everybody. Here we go. Oh, there's something else in there. Whee! Okay, that's just my invoice. Kicking that out the way. So clearly we can see I got the lavender colorway, which makes sense. I am Miss Purple. It's my most favorite color. For whatever reason, leading up to opening this today was like, oh man, what if I accidentally got the pink? What if I ordered pink and I just think I've had purple this whole time? No, I got purple. We're okay. I did the matching head bow and the dress. I did not get the socks. They looked a little like, in the nicest way, generic to me. Like they didn't have the marshmallow twist or anything specifically Sugary Carnival on them. So I didn't feel like I needed to spend the extra friggin' 40 bucks or whatever they are to get them with the dress. There are lots of socks that I can make work, I'm sure. And I've now seen a couple of Lolitas say that the socks are actually really small. And I don't have baby calves. Like, don't get me wrong, I got very nice calves. Very proud of my legs. But they're not tiny. So maybe it's a good thing I didn't get the socks. This is my first angelic pretty dress that I did not buy off somebody else. I bought new off somebody else, but never directly from Angelic Pretty, so this is very exciting for me. Okay, here is the bow with, oh my god, the little pink star hanging off. I think that is so cute. I kind of wish it was on both sides. Like, it's not bad that it's only on one. I just like the symmetry of having it on both sides, but that's fine. We've got the perfect little cherry right in the center and the marshmallowy twist coming out the side. Oh, she's so cute. The lace is delicate and soft, just plain, no like pic images or anything in it, which would make sense because it's so tiny. What are you gonna fit in that? And just here's a bit of a closer look at this beautiful bow. She's gorgeous, she's purple, she's everything we wanted in life. But now, let's look at the dress. She's got her own hanger, which is nice, and a garment bag, also nice. Oh my god, look at her! I'm losing my little mind. This is such like a staple sweet dress that you immediately see and hear about upon entering Sweet Lolita. It was something that I like definitely enjoyed, but I was like, there's no way I will ever own that dress. It's way too expensive. It doesn't go up for sale enough. Like, it's so old and classic sweet that everyone's gonna buy that up. And then they made it possible. We have got the Angelic Pretty logo right in the front amongst marshmallow and little icing rosettes. A bow on each sleeve. Now these sleeves look a little folded. Okay, yeah. So they get wide up in the middle here, but they are kind of folded right at the base. The other side, there's a button, but there is no other like buttons on the strap. So technically could be adjustable. You just have to remove the button and then sew it somewhere else, which is a little annoying, but fine. We've got our marshmallow twist down the front to a bow that also has the cherry right in the center, like your head bow. And then all the marshmallow twists going down the skirt to the ponies who are riding the marshmallow twist. Are you kidding me? I want to ride a marshmallow twist. The back does have pink corsetting. That's the word. Over shirring. There's like some. This is about what I kind of expected. It's not a lot in there, but at least it's not none. I'll take that. Our waist ties, which they folded beautifully to show off the pony. They're held on with just cute, sweet pink buttons that match the buttons that hold on your straps. And then the same print all the way down to the bottom of the back. There is a zipper. Oh, is this a somewhat sturdier zipper? Maybe not. It's still pretty thin. I feel like if they put the hidden flap in, they could have put in a sturdier zipper because you're hiding the zipper anyway. But the true test will be when I put it on, if it's hard or not. There's a hook and eye at the top, which is nice. Not every dress has that, and that does make it easier to do up these stupid zippers if it is indeed one of the stupid zippers. So thank you for the hook and eye. Because of the zipper there, there's definitely no pockets on this side. Is there a pocket on... Oh my God. We have one pocket, people. That is exciting. I'll live with one pocket. I won't complain. One pocket is better than none pockets. All the lace on the dress is the same up here, the little kind of scalloped-y lace with no real print inside of it. The bottom lace, though, is more of a mesh-y and has AP and the friggin' pony in it. Oh my God. This is, I think, officially the sweetest dress I own. I know my Bears one is pretty sweet, but this one is literally covered in candy. I think it wins out. That's about as detailed as I can get with it like this. So I'm gonna go put the dress on. I'll be right back. Well, I'm back in what is clearly not the dress. Wanted to be very honest with everybody. She does not fit, which is a real blow to my self-esteem currently. I definitely checked the measurements when I purchased it. I'm gonna look over them again, and I was certain I could fit within them at the time when I purchased it. And even with a chest binder, she's not getting on. It won't zip right where the girls are, so that's clearly the problem. So I don't know if my recent change in weight has affected this area more than I thought or what. But I'm not going to rip her to try and force it on. Anyways, as I noticed putting it on, it is a shorter dress than my other angelic pretty dress that I was just wearing. Not like obscenely short, but it's certainly like my petticoat was like immediately kind of peeking out. The bow's cute and that fits, so I'll take that as a win. Yay. Guess I will just keep working on myself as I have already been doing, and hopefully I get to a point where I can maybe put this on, or maybe I get it altered eventually if I really can't, because I don't want to give up this dress. I love it, even if it is paining me a little bit to look at it right now. It's cute. I love it. Kind of an anticlimactic Sugary Carnival unboxing because you didn't actually get to see it on. Sorry about that. I figured this was better than just being like, ha ha ha, psych, you don't get to see it. I tried really, really hard. It just wasn't happening for me today. It's not night, it's day. Okay, I'm gonna end this video before I start sobbing on camera. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody leave a like as a prayer to hopefully one day I can fit in this dress. And hopefully my next dress goes better. All right, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Bye.